Welcome to Vridivej Finance, and we are presenting Abhishek Integration IPO 2021. This is SME IPO and they are having a government projects. Henceforth, you can invest it after listing because the lot size of this IPO is quite big one, which is it depends on your budget whether you can afford it or not. So if you are looking for a large amount of investment, then you can invest into the IPO. Otherwise, you can wait after the listing. You can invest into the Abhishek Integration IPO. Vridivej Finance presenting Abhishek Integration detail, where Mr. Sanjay Dubey is commenced business in the name of Abhishek Associated as a proprietorship firms in the year of 2002. Initially, the firms has engaged in the business of telecommunication cabling work in BSNL. Later on, during 2007 and till 2011, firm carried out electrification work at the railway platform, electrification and earth of ONGC at various locations in Ahmedabad, electrification in MIC laboratory at ISRO, Ahmedabad, and operation and maintenance of LT and HT substations, hospitals, residential colonies, and various locations of ESIC at Ahmedabad, Kalol, Jamnagar, Surat, Kandivali, Marol, Andheri. Since 2011 till February 28, 2021, firm was fully fledged in the developing, operation and maintenance of HT and LT, electrical and mechanical, and its installation at a terminal building of airport, installation, maintenance, fire fighting solution at system integrator, operation and maintenance, GLF airfield lightning system substation including perimeter light fitting at airport, LT switchgear at various airports located in Pan India. Firm was majorly and explosively engaged in work awarded by Airport Authority of India, that is AAI. This is all about we are introducing Abhishek Integrations Airport Authority of India and Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited's detail furthermore. Few details of Abhishek Integration Limited you can find there on their website, where their office is registered office details at Parul Nagar Shopping Center near Bhuyang Dev Crossroad, Ghatoldia, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India 380061. For further information, please log on abhishekintegration.com, where you can find their Airport Authority of India project details. Their ongoing projects are in Goa, Port Blair, Bhopal, Vadodara, Indore, Jaipur, Patna, Gondia, Madurai, Gaya, औरंगाबाद, अलाहाबाद, जबलपुर, पुणे, तेजपुर, जामनगर, जोराहत, अहमदाबाद, मुंबई, पाटना, जैसलमेर, गोड़िया, and for Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited, their Viramgam and Goraiya. Dear investor, Abhishek Integration IPO detail. For further information, please find opening date of IPO is the 8 June 2021, where IPO closing date is June 11, 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue IPO. Face value is 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 50 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is 3,000 shares, where minimum order quantity is 3,000 share and listing at NSE and SME. So this is quite big amount for retail investor who is ready to invest in thousands rather than lakhs. So for retail investor who is ready to invest in thousands, you can invest after the listing and keep it for these shares for further long term, because their projects are valuable. You can see according to their website. It depends on you. Market is at own risk, So before investing, just go through their company detail and everything. We are here only guiding you about whether you should invest it or whether you are not interested to invest it. It is your own decisions. Abhishek Integration product details, where you can see their services exclusively at Airport Authority of India, fire extinction, fire hydrant, fire detection system, operation maintenance installation, GLF airfield lighting system, supply of electrical and GFL spare, fire sprinkler system, annual operation and maintenance of electrical and mechanical work, perimeter lighting work are there all details. Where Abhishek Integration team details, Mr. Sanjay Dubey is a chairman and managing director, Ms. Jyoti Dubey is a whole-time director, Narmada Dwivedi is non-executive director, Sanjay Kukadia is independent director, and Ms. Reema Dalal is independent director. And their business model, we have given you bidding, tender and procure, then proposal and client negotiation, where whole work order from client, then designing and engineering and procurement of raw material, installation and testing, and then hand over the operation and maintenance is the way of working their works at AAI. Dear investors, are you looking for a prediction that how much this IPO will get listed? Then this time this is SME IPO, so Vridhi Finance doesn't give any prediction about it. We are giving the tips for retail investor. Invest after listing. Yes, you can invest lot size on own risk. Thank you. By Vridhi Finance, we will update you more about the Sensex and Nifty and IPOs. Yes, IPO is our favorite one of the segment, and we will keep updating you quarterly, monthly, and depends on when IPO is listing. Thank you.